So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Noise Free campaign we go about looking at how we can solve the volume issue on the MI phone. What the volume issue is, like suppose you increase the volume and you increase it to the highest extent possible, it automatically seems to fall down. So you don't want to have this happening where the volume goes down all of a sudden. So let's look at how we can fix this. The first thing that you need to do is swipe on the top, tap on the grid, head towards the apps. Here tap on manage apps, search for system launcher. So under system launcher, simply go ahead and uninstall updates. So don't worry, nothing gets deleted as such, but once like the system launcher updates have been successfully uninstalled, mostly everything should work. There's also option of deleting all data, so you don't really need to do this. So I mean, it's like absolutely if it's needed, then if you want to do it, you can do it, but I really don't advise. Here if you get an option of clearing cache, you can simply go ahead and clear the cache. You can see my cache is already deleted. So hopefully by now the problem should be solved. Like go ahead and launch the system launcher and then go ahead and uninstall updates, and magically the problem seems to fix itself. Now if that doesn't fix, what you can also do is simply press the volume up button and hold on to this, like say for a period of 15 to 20 odd seconds. So simply hold on to it. So simply hold on to it for some time, like for 10 odd seconds. I am not editing the video so that you can see in live what happens. Now once you do this, somehow the effect stays and the volume doesn't fall back. If this doesn't work as well, what you're supposed to do is hold both volume up and down button, hold on to this for say a period of 5 to 10 odd seconds, then release the volume down button and press the volume up button, and then again hold on to this for say a period of 10 odd seconds, 10 to 15 odd seconds. Once you do this, you will see that the volume now doesn't come down, it doesn't like fall back. Now if your MI phone has like 3.5mm jack, you can also put this inside the jack and simply rotate this for some time. It's supposed to magically work, not always, but you can do that. And again, one more thing, head towards the settings, head towards additional settings, and then clear speaker. And like this is simply like it will somehow get rid of all the dust and anything which is jammed inside the speaker. There will be a high frequency sound which will emit now, so don't worry. Try doing this as well. And like I always said, I already said, most of the tricks that I've demonstrated here, the first one, the system launcher uninstall updates, that's the one that will solve 90% of the cases. The remaining things can be managed with the volume button itself. So keep the volume up button pressed and hold on to that state for some time. The remaining 10% should be fixed by this. So this is how you can fix, like the MI phone volume issue wherein the volume seems to automatically fall down. So guys, if you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel. Please do let me know in the comment section how you find this. If you have a mobile phone and if you are facing a certain issue, please do let us know that as well, so that we can invest in the smartphone that you have and also spend some time troubleshooting different solutions for fixing the issues. So that's all from my side. I hope you had a great one, and I will catch you on the other side. Thank you.